Folks, those clouds have refused to budge today. In fact, temperatures have kind of held steady all day long, and visibility is down with some drizzle and fog already showing up across much of the region. About a mile to a mile and a half across much of the eastern valley, about 3 miles in Brownsville, 2.5 McAllen, 2 in Edinburg. Still looking pretty good out in Rio Grande City, but certainly the fog is in place, and as temperatures go down a little, dew points come up a little tonight, likely the fog will only get thicker across the region. So we're looking at perhaps visibilities around zero for much of the late night and early morning hours. These are the current temperatures in the 50s right now. 58 Port Isabel and Brownsville, 55 as you move inland. You get up to Rio Grande City and Edinburg, you're looking at about 54. Overnight, notice temperatures are actually warmer in many places. If anything, readings will go up overnight. And then tomorrow, still a lot of clouds, probably still some light rain and drizzle in the morning, but by afternoon readings climb back in the 70s all across the valley. So we're back up to not just normal, but above normal. And once we get there, I think the next several days are all going to be above normal, perhaps well above normal. We're going 76 tomorrow. The norm is in the mid 70s. We go 83 on Thursday, 86 on Friday. And it looks like now that Saturday front most likely will stay to the north of us, and while we may cool off a couple of degrees, not likely to have much of an impact on us. Here's a look at the cloud cover picture. It has been thick today, and it'll be thick all night tonight. Watch the timeline into tomorrow morning, still overcast. By afternoon, I think the clouds thin a little bit. I don't think you see a blue sky necessarily, but there may be some breaks. You see a little blue sky before the end of the day. Then tomorrow night, it clouds up again, some fog again during the daytime. Thursday, we break out, and I think by then we will see some sunshine, and with that sun, temperatures are able to warm a little more. Same kind of thing on Friday. Some early clouds, afternoon sunshine, and temperatures warm up again. So some leftover drizzle tomorrow morning. That burns off by midday. Then I think we're dry, and we'll stay that way for Thursday and again on Friday. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. 48 in Dallas right now, 54 in Houston. San Antonio is 49, so 56, not the warmest reading in the state. There's some sunshine in West Texas, so they're a little warmer up there. But boy, some rain moving out of the state as we speak. Here's what was a cold front, turned around, some warm front coming back to the north. Not quite here in the morning, but as the day goes on, the warmer air will build in, and it's going to stay with us until the next front gets here. Well, let's look for the next front. There's one on the map Thursday, Friday, into Friday night and Saturday, but right now the models bring it really close to the valley and then stop it. Now the GFS model does let it slide a little bit to the south of us on Saturday and then bounce back north on Sunday. If that's the case, we may cool off a little on Saturday, but we're not putting that in the forecast now. We're going with a warmer solution, more like what the European model is suggesting. So tonight, cloudy with some drizzle and fog, a low of 58, really temperatures going up. And then tomorrow some fog in the morning, but then warmer in the afternoon. A high tomorrow of 76 for your Valentine's Day. Thursday, look at it, 83. Friday, 86. We're putting 74 in for Saturday, but I tell you what, it could be a lot warmer than that if that front stays to the north. So cool, yes, but not cold by any means. Even if the front goes through, won't be a lot cooler than that. And by next week, back in the 80s once again. So cool down, but not much of one. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.